In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix FaceTime photos not showing up on your iPhone, an issue that can be quite frustrating. Let's dive in and explore the steps to troubleshoot and resolve this problem effectively. First, you'll want to ensure that FaceTime Live Photos is enabled on your device. Head over to your settings, scroll down to FaceTime, and you'll see an option called FaceTime Live Photos. Make sure this toggle is turned on. Doing this allows your device to capture live photos during a FaceTime call. Now, there's an important detail to keep in mind. For FaceTime Live Photos to work seamlessly, both you and the person you're communicating with need to have live photos enabled. So have a quick chat with your FaceTime partner and make sure they have this feature turned on as well. It's a two-way street to capture those special moments. Next on our list is checking your photo permissions. Go back to your main settings, then navigate to Privacy and Security and tap on Photos. Here, you will need to find FaceTime in the list of apps and ensure it has permission to access your Photos app. Without the proper permissions, FaceTime cannot save any photos to your gallery, so this step is crucial. Moving on, let's verify your iCloud Photos settings. If you're using iCloud to manage your pictures, it's essential to have iCloud Photos enabled. Go to Settings again, then tap on Photos, and see if iCloud Photos is turned on. This ensures that your photos are synced across all your devices, reducing the chances of them going missing. After checking these settings, you should know where to look for your FaceTime Live Photos. They are saved in your Photos app under the Albums tab, specifically in the Live Photos album. Double check this location to find any pictures you might have taken during your FaceTime calls. If the issue persists, it's time to give your iPhone a quick restart. Rebooting your device can clear temporary system glitches that might be causing the problem. Simply power down your phone, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Finally, let's make sure your iOS is up to date. Go to Settings, tap on General, then Software Update, and see if there's a new version available for your device. Keeping your software updated ensures that any bugs or issues are addressed by the latest patches from Apple. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving any issues with FaceTime photos not showing up. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found these tips helpful in enhancing your FaceTime experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting guides and tech tips.